Alright guys, so like I said, I'm building this car guys because if I go to a car show, I want to be able to ride there. So these bushings, they don't look bad. I don't know if they ever been changed before. Well, that one don't look bad. But I'm going to get them up out of here guys. I already ordered a new kit. I saved these. I mean, you never know. One of the grandkids might need them 20 years from now. If they look good, I'll save them. And I'm trying not to mess them up. I just got a little Harbor Freight pick. And I'm just picking them out of there, guys. Hopefully you can see that. So, I got new ones here. I ordered a kit already. And like I said, I plated a lot of these, you know, every part on this part will be plated. And see, look, that's just how wore that is. See how that's slipping off of there? This new one, it's a little loose, but it's not as loose as that one. See that? This one, you put it on there, it slips back, it just slides right back off. That one's about the same thing. This one, the new one, it's just, you know, it's just a tighter fit, guys. So, get these old ones out the way. I put them in a plastic bag, like I said. I'll label them and save them. I don't think I'm a hoarder, but just never know if you're going to need something and they're going to discontinue it. So I'm changing this for now. Let's see if I can turn this around. I don't know. You might not be able to see this. Let me see. But all I'm doing is pushing that in there. It's always when you don't have, I did the other side. It's like when you don't have the camera rolling, everything pops in a lot smoother. Alright. So now, I got that about in there. Well, maybe not. Things never want to go right when you're on camera. Alright, so then I want to just come in with a little WD-40, and this is going to help me get that in where it needs to be. Still not actually falling in place. The other one went a lot easier. And I'm not poking no holes in here, guys. Alright. Just want to press that around in there. Then I just want to stick that in there, and that seal is in place. Now you got to also realize I got these painted up, but let's see, just a little WD-40. Get it in there. So that one's in, guys. It's a nice tight fit too. Alright, same thing with the big one here. These have never been out before. I'm gonna go on and spray these down with WD-40. That might help me out some, guys. Make sure there's no crud and stuff in there. Alright guys, so I just sprayed them down. Sprayed that down with brake cleaner. Remember that brake cleaner is flammable, guys. Then I just want to come in and just clean this off some in here. Alright, so the same thing. Just want to apply a little WD-40 in there just to get this going in here. Now that one popped right in. Alright. So that's it, guys. See if this one is going to go easier. So I got my finger in the back side to make sure that this don't push all the way through. The smaller ones seem to be a little bit more of a bear. But alright. That one went in a little easier. Trying to get it to seat, guys. Alright, so now that one's in there. It's in there. It's tight, but it's in there. Now for this last one. Alright. That one's in there. Might not have been able to see it, but it's in there. New rubbers, guys. These are a little harder, but they're still good. So I'm gonna hold on to these guys. I'm gonna hold on to them. Alright, now I'm just putting this caliper on. I'm not really setting everything on here. But that caliper is ready to go on now, guys.